World War I required a handgun more suitable for military use, and the Walther Company designed the Model 4 as quickly as possible by simply enlarging the Model 3, giving it a larger grip, longer barrel, better sights, and a greater magazine capacity. They were rewarded with an order from the Prussian government in May of 1915 for 250,000 Model 4s. Some might wonder why a .32 auto-caliber handgun was ordered for military use, when the primary service weapon was the much more powerful Luger 9mm P08 Parabellum pistol. Once it was adopted, it rapidly gained the confidence of the soldiers who used it. By the end of World War I, thanks to its government contract, Walther was the largest pistol manufacturer in Germany. The Model 4 is a relatively simple handgun of blowback design, with a fixed barrel, an external extractor, and the concealed hammer. Its most unusual feature is that, like its predecessor the Model 3, its extractor and ejection port are on the left. The barrel acts as a guide for the concentric recoil spring, which is held in place by a bayonet-type lug that covers the front of the barrel, and by a sleeve at the rear which also serves to cover the spring. When the slide moves rearward, it forces the trigger bar down, disconnecting it from the sear. The safety is a rotating thumb lever that positively locks the cocked hammer. Most safeties have a checkered thumb grip circle, but a few have circular grooves. There is a screw on the backstrap of the grip that regulates the tension of the flat hammer spring. The gun is slim and elegant, well-balanced, fits the hand very nicely, and points instinctively. It is also reasonably accurate. There are two variations of the standard Model 4. First is the standard type with a modified sight. Second has an internal trigger bar, modified slide, and safety checkering. In the early specimens, the finger grip pattern consists of 7 square-cut, rather wide grooves, whereas in the later specimens the serrations are narrow V-shaped grooves and 16 in number. The first Walther made in .32 auto and the first Walther police-type pistol was widely adopted by police forces and military officers during World War I, and it was taken into official military service. The Prussian government acquired 250,000 in 1915. Designed by Karl Wilhelm Freund Walther and Fritz August Walther.